OneIbox AI fills this gap beautifully. It supports both inbound. Hey, welcome back to part 2 of Voice AI series. So today we will walk through with OneIbox AI and more specifically how you can set up more humanized voice AI experience using this platform. Now, if you are used with Go High Level or you haven't used it, you probably noticed one thing missing, that is Outbound Voice AI. That's exactly why I created this second part, because OneIbox AI fills this gap beautifully. It supports both inbound and outbound voice calls, giving you much more complete AI powered phone system. So if your business required outbound calling, definitely you can utilize this platform. And the quick recommendation, both Go High Level and OneIbox AI you can try by yourself because it has free trial. You can check the link in description. You will find the link for free trial for both one, and so you actually test the thing by yourself without spending any rupees. So I will recommend you just go check the link, get the free trial, compare to side by side. What I have done exactly made your job easier. I have copied exact same prompt that I have used inside Go High Level, and I have created voice AI inside this OneIbox AI. So you can see within 2 minutes we can create a voice AI in Go High Level also and in OneIbox AI also. So it's very simple. If you haven't checked the first part, you can go and check how I have created the prompts, all these things inside the Go High Level setting.
Hello. So this is OneInbox AI. So here, AI phone system to make outbound call and answer inbound calls and schedule 24/7 appointment, no coding required. So if you sign up for one app, this is totally free right now. You will get certain credits. So you can sign up with your email. So this is the dashboard. It will look like this one. And here you can use it. You can white label it also. You go to settings. Inside the settings, you have. Okay. So what are the things inside here? First thing is you can create any type of agent here. AI agents, you can add in agents. You can see the analytics here. Analytics will look like this. Okay. So this is the demo data. Total call, average talk minute usage, all these things here. Phone numbers, AI agent name, restaurant AI. We can have multiple AI agents here. If you see here, for each one of our clients, we can have a separate things. We can edit them, whatever we want. The widgets also, if you see here, action, we can send SMS. Okay, so we can send SMS also here, send email, transfer calls, end calls, call not connected. Ratings also we can collect. Customer support, sales, marketing, different phone numbers for each one. We can have a different one. Then we go to AI agents here. Now we will create an agent. Creation of agent is very simple. Start from blank, or if we have templates of agents also. So let's start from blank only. Agent name, we can make it as a REI, add agent. We can add images, whatever we want. Maximum duration, voice speed, all these things we can adjust it. Performance role. Okay. So here it is profile. If you see here, this is the thing we can do. Performance. Here we check the performance. And then next is role. Here we have to put the prompt here. And here is the action, final action, what we want. So if you check here, the agent inside Go High Level, it is also the same thing. Okay. Here also we put the prompt and what action we want during the call and after the call. So extract email, extract name, all these things, update contact fields. And if we want to trigger any workflow, we will click here and we will trigger any workflow. So it is inbuilt here. But this in OneInbox also, it has integrations here. If I see here, if I click here, actually. So if we select the calendar, if you see this one, it has integration with Go High Level, Google Calendar, Calendly, and more. If you select this integrations here, calendar.com, Google Calendar, voice, video, SMS, Google Meet. This type of integrations are there. Okay. So if I select this, install this app here. So I will be connecting this with my AI-based sales. So let's start this one. So it is saying if you are already logged in, please log out and log in again. So I will do that. Okay. So next we are doing this one. Once we are done with this. So if I just select any sub account here. So you see it's in process. So now it says installed. Import your sub account from GHL. So once you do that, you see there are calendars automatically here of Go High Level. And I will select the name, for example, RI calendar, and add this action. So you see the Google Meet calendar has been set. So this is the action whenever someone books the appointment. Now here Okay. So here I already have a prompt inside Go High Level. I'm just gonna copy this one and I'm going to paste this here inside this prompt only. So both have same prompts. Okay. The both have same prompt and we will test the quality of both, which one looks fine. Okay. So this will help you to choose between both. Okay. Which one you want. So setting up is very easy. Now we already have prompts here. We have actions here. Everything is done. Now we will test the agent. So so we can just so you can see here there are use templates. Ask Copilot. Copilot can help you create the prompt. And if you use templates, you have templates of this one also. It has already the prompts. You can just use that one also. Now I will be testing both agents. Okay, this agent also. I have to call this number and I will call them live. Okay, so you will understand this one. So first of all, let's begin with this one. Okay, testing with this agent. I will do web call. State intelligence. Assist you today. I'm looking for a property buying. So can you help me with this? To get started, could you please share what key features you're looking for in a property? For example, the location, budget, and any specific amenities or characteristics you have in mind? Do you have a farmhouse type of things? I'm looking for that big farmhouse. Great. A big farmhouse sounds wonderful. Could you please provide me with a few more details? Specifically, what is your budget range, and do you have a preferred location in mind for the farmhouse? Additionally, are there any specific features or amenities you would like it to have? Basically, I'm looking near New York. Uh, any type of farmhouse, and budget is not a concern. For available farmhouse listings in that area. Do you have any specific features in mind, such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or any particular amenities like a pool, barn, or large outdoor space? Yeah, these amenities are required in this farmhouse. Go ahead. So you're looking for a big farmhouse near New York with the following amenities: multiple. Here we go. Nation. Okay. Please wait. We are fetching the available options for you. I found some available time slots for property tours. Here are the options for tomorrow, June 12th, 2025. 08 a.m., 08:30 a.m., 09:02 a.m., 09:30 a.m., 10 o'clock a.m., 10:30 a.m., 11 o'clock a.m., 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 01:02 p.m., 01:30 p.m., 200 p.m., 2:30 p.m., 0300 p.m., 03:30 p.m., 0400 p.m., 04:30 p.m. Please let me know which time works best for you and I can schedule the tour for the farmhouse properties. Okay, let's lock 4:30 p.m. Choice. Schedule the tour for the farmhouse properties on June 12th, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. Could you please confirm your email address so I can send you the confirmation details? It is mrinal1989@gmail.com. Okay, now I'm going to proceed with the AI agents here. I will test it. Plus 91887158577. And let's see how does it look like once it for me. Hello. Hello, Ken. Okay, so I'm looking for a property near New York. Can you help me? I think I have enough budget. You need to find me a premium property. Basically, I'm looking for a farmhouse nearby New York only. So just go ahead with us. Uh, no, I do not have preferred timeline. You just go ahead. Hmm. Yeah, what do you? Which contact you want? Yeah, it's MRINALNIT1989@gmail.com. Uh, okay. Right now it's nothing. Anything more you can? Anything more you want to tell me? Will I receive an email?
Yes, you'll receive an email with the farmhouse options too. If you have any questions or need further details, just let me know.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay, so this one understood the email properly. And we can check the transcript here of our call. Let's see this one. Hello, for you property. Okay. 1989 at the email account. Okay, right. More. Okay, sure. Thank you. It's really fine here. Okay. So let me check this one inbox. Hey, so inside this, you what are the things you can do here is English, the languages you see here. Hindi also there. Okay. If I select the voice, okay, inside the voice, let's select accent. You see the different languages are there. Okay. So let's select Indian. Inside the Indian voices, you find different voices here. Just check the voice here. So check out this. So you can select any of this one. For example, I selected this, select this voice. So the voice will change. So it has more variety of voice and it looks quite realistic one. Okay, but this is the choice. And inside this, you can do outbound message calls also. Okay, if you are doing prospecting, okay, so this AI agent can call your leads also from. So here you can go to this part here. So you can check out the calls, whatever the calls are there. Okay, so you just check out and you can check the sentiments of the calls also, the transcripts of the calls also. Okay, so you can download this also. You can download the transcript. Similarly, what you inside the Go High Level also you can do the same thing. Okay, what's unique is you can call from this agent also. Okay, enter the phone number here, and this agent will do outbound call. Okay, so our platforms are like almost same. So whichever you want, you can utilize that. So one must go ahead and do this things here. You can check the analytics. Okay, so once you have data, you will check out this analytics here. Box here you can utilize.
So here is the bottom line. Whether you use OneInbox AI or go high level, the future of sale is not about doing more. It's about building a system that does it for you. So till now we have explored complete setup of OneInbox AI, okay, from scratch. We have seen integration with go high level, Calendly. We have tested the both voice AI agent. We have checked outbound calling capacity. It's inside OneInbox AI, not inside go high level. Voice customization, multiple voice options are there inside voice AI. You can try out Hindi also, so that is the unique thing. And access complete call transcript. Okay, so this is very important here. From the transcript you can train it better, so with feedback loop you can have a better one. So if you are looking to more humanized, flexible and outbound capable phone system, OneInbox AI is worth trying, especially with free trial level. So you can test both platforms. Both offer smart automation. Test both, compare the voice clarity, personalization, each use. Okay, choose what fits for your business need best. So whether you are a real estate agent, coaching or any services, AI voice agent will work 24/7, multiply your outreach, handle inquiries, book appointment while you sleep, and it will also close clients on complete automation. We can train, because I have shown you with prompt you can do anything. So if you modify it, it having your own brain, it will act as you only. So that's what we can build inside it. We can add knowledge base also, so that is very unique. We can forward the call. All these features are there, multiple things. So whatever you can think you can do inside, just explore it. And setting up is very simple. You just have to prompt it, and once you have a feedback you can just always build a system. And automations you can integrate. You can use go high level, or you can use OneInbox AI connector like with Pebble or whatever the things are there. So try both. That's it.